My video is about getting rid of the new ransomware called Afire. In this video you will find out why exactly this ransomware is called like that. Afire ransomware is able to damage the files and encrypt them. My video is only for educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware. I am not promoting this ransomware. Before the ransomware's attack, you are able to open the data without troubles. But very soon, the ransomware encrypts files and appends this Afire extension to the file names, and it is impossible to use the data anymore. The ransomware then tells the victims to pay a special ransom in this ransom note. However, paying the ransom is obviously not a good idea. If you pay the ransom, you will most likely just waste your money without getting the data restored. So do not waste your money and do not pay the ransom. What I recommend you to do is to remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus, such as Combo Cleaner. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Use the green download button, install it, and then once it is successfully installed, start researching the system. Click on the Start Scan button. The application is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. After you click on the Start Scan button, the application will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is certainly essential for proper detection and removal of this ransomware or any other types of threats. So then the scanning will begin, and at the end of the scan you will see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their exact locations. Some threats can be removed manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to premium license. Premium license will help you to remove this ransomware and to protect the data. Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files, and there is no any other antivirus which would be able to decrypt the files. But Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to effectively detect and remove this ransomware and to protect your data. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video which will give you more information on how to recover your data.